The STL IntelliSiren is the complete vehicle solution. Combining a powerful 100-watt output siren with a fully customizable light controller, the STL IntelliSiren integrates seamlessly with any user's application. Buttons can even be programmed to operate on a timer as an on-off toggle or manual mode. Totaling 60 amps, the compact power supply includes 14 programmable outputs and a pre-programmed 8-output LED flasher for traffic advising. Simple in design, yet robust enough to accommodate all industry needs, the intuitive, easy-to-use software interface lets you program each button individually, giving you full control of your equipment. Also featuring a 3-position slide switch with 3 custom memory modes to toggle multiple buttons at once, the STL IntelliSiren can be programmed for multiple uses, such as pursuit or lane closures. With built-in fail-safe circuit protection technology, the STL IntelliSiren has you covered. The STL IntelliSiren also includes 8 inputs enabling the system to respond to external signal commands, such as gun lock, camera system, door openings, and more, providing for a truly singular experience. Shop with confidence with SpeedTech Lights' 5-year warranty. Providing A+ customer service, SpeedTech Lights is a proud accredited member of the Better Business Bureau. At SpeedTech Lights, trust is earned.